They say beauty is only skin deep, but hey, we all want to look our best, right? Oops. Don't forget to floss. Looks like these two could do with a helping hand. Messy hair? Blotchy skin? Don't worry, we've got it covered. Makeovers are kind of our thing. So take out your best dress, grab that brush, put on that lipstick. Beauty school is in session. It's time for a makeup challenge. Looking good, ladies. This night is so dull. I want to do something fun. I know, right? What about a makeover? Great idea. I'll just make some space. Me too. Bye, plant. Okay, all we need now is makeup. Look at it all. Lipstick, eyeshadow, color palettes. Ready? First to do all their makeup wins. Let's set a timer. And go. What should I use first? Gotta be quick. I'll move these here. Back in a minute. Where is she going? Who cares? I'm winning. Nearly forgot the most important thing. I'll put this sheet of foil on the table. Maybe some foundation. What are you doing? A drop of foundation, spread it around the foil. Looking pretty so far. Now for the eyes. I've always wanted to be an artist. Time's running out. Finished! Here goes. Just need to press the foil down. You do know how to put makeup on. Nearly there. Watch this. Looks good, huh? That is amazing! Let me try. It's so easy. Go for it. So I take a sheet of aluminum foil, add some foundation, put on some lipstick. Impressive! Picasso would be proud. Almost done. I think that's it. And now I just whack it on my face? I can't wait to see how I look. Time for the big reveal! How do I look? Don't look in a mirror. It might crack. Are you serious? Oh! I'm hideous! Let me help. I can fix this. This should fit. A little here. A dab there. This'll look fantastic on you. There. My masterpiece is complete. Don't move. Ow! My nose! Oh my gosh. I can't believe you did this! I look gorgeous! My makeup. My dress. Let's party! Okay, Lexi. Are you ready? I look like a baked potato! It suits you. Really brings out your eyes. Bye! Just you wait! This is so not funny! Kylie! Ah! No way! That's so funny! Aw, cute! Mwah. I need better lighting. Hey, make yourself useful. Hold this. I'm not your personal assistant. Did you say something? I'm too busy being beautiful. I need to get my good side. No, this won't do. Move over there. I should be paid for this. So pretty! I'm a human tripod. Can life get any worse? Hey guys, going for the natural look today. Heart emoji, lips emoji, winky face. They love me! Ahem. Natural, huh? Well, maybe just a little makeup. It's time for a reverse makeover. I mean, it's not gonna make any difference, but if you say so. I'll still look pretty. It's just makeup. Breathe. It'll be fine. Goodbye, old friend. I'll remember you as you were. Attractive. It's not like I'm wearing that much makeup. That feels good. Won't be needing these. This'll take a while. Scrape off this. Wow, I can smell things now. This is so captivating. One less so long, luscious lips. Huh? Okay, this is it. The final stage. Yeah, go on. You can do it. How do I look? I feel wonderful. What do you think? Wow. You're really ugly. How about now? Got you! He's better at makeup than I am. This is life. Warm, sunny weather, chilling by the pool. I'm bored. Want to do my makeup? I'd love to. Oh, hello, handsome. Hey, you dropped your goggles. Hey, over here. Go get them. Why do I have to do everything? Hey, you'll need your goggles. My glasses. I can't see without them. Is he ignoring us? Everything is blurry. Now where are those goggles? Finally! Okay, let's do your makeup. So exciting! There's something different about you. But okay. What's this? This'll look good on you. Don't move. There we go. Lovely. Okay, a little color. Where are you? Found you! You know, I should do this professionally. It's a talent. Let's make you sparkle. This really suits you. That tickles. Bless you. Can't forget the lipstick. Show me that pout. Steady. Almost done. Wow, you look beautiful. I think. Wait, these aren't my glasses. Well, you just look stunning. Is that the time? I better be going. I have to see ya. I need to. Bye! Where are you going? Why are there goggles here? My goggles! You found them! I thought I had lost them. Oh, hi there. What's his problem? Must be intimidated by my beauty. Candy, I love you. It's gotta be here somewhere. In here? No. What about here? Nope. Come on. Delicious marshmallow. Prepare to meet my stomach. Huh? It vanished. Oh well, there's other candy. What is going on? This'll do. Oh, sorry. I have a date, but I can't find my makeup, so I'm gonna use candy. But how will you… I need these. I need some more things. Aha! This'll do. This is too weird. I'm outta here. Beetroot! Just what I need! Okay, time to get to work. I'll start with the custard. I'll add the custard to a bowl with some flour and water. Give it a good mix until it forms a paste. Just how I want it. This marshmallow will make a great brush. Dip it in the custard mix and apply it to my face. A foundation that looks and tastes great. What next? Oh, I know. Tasty cocoa. I'll need another brush. I'll layer this over the custard. Now for the other side. This is better than my normal makeup. Oh, my eyebrows! Definitely need something. I'll use some more of cocoa. And a little water. This toothpick will be handy. Carefully fill in my eyebrows. Who needs expensive makeup? Perfect! Time to spice things up with some turmeric. A splash of olive oil. Let's mix it up. And I have the most amazing homemade eyeshadow. I love this color! Wow! Now for the beetroot. This'll add some color to my cheeks. Healthy blusher. These Skittles are exactly what I need. Instead of eating them, they'll do for lipstick. There! I think I'm ready. One last thing. Time for my date! You look beautiful. Can I kiss you? I thought you'd never ask. Get a room, you guys! You're such a good kisser. Yuck. I'm sorry. He's just really friendly. He needs to brush his teeth. His breath. Phew. They say beauty is in the eye of the beholder, but a little makeup won't hurt, right? Don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more fun challenges, just like this one.